And so you guys can see from this single month, this website was able to generate $14,900. What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnson coming at you guys with a quick video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get started with a fully operational Shopify store in the next 24 hours. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. And so yeah guys, what I wanted to show you guys today, I don't really see any other Shopify YouTuber talking about this, but this is a way that you can actually start making money as soon as today without risking money with Facebook advertising, without risking money with Instagram influencers to build your business. But basically, if you don't know what Shopify is already, Shopify is pretty much an e-commerce platform where you can actually sell and drop ship physical products online without ever holding any inventory. And so what I noticed the main problem that people have, because I get hundreds of emails and DMs about this a day, is that people can't build a successful Shopify store from scratch. And so in today's video, I'm actually going to show you guys how you can leapfrog that learning curve and actually have a fully operational Shopify store without spending money on Facebook ads, without spending money on any Instagram ads or influencers. This is a way that you don't have to reinvent the wheel and pretty much start off from scratch. And so the website I'm going to be referring to today is actually flippa.com, guys. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with what flippa.com is, this is essentially a marketplace where people sell their affiliate websites, their domains, their apps, and even their e-commerce stores. And so this is a very legitimate website because this is a place where I've actually sold a couple of my affiliate marketing businesses. And this is actually a great website where you can buy Shopify stores that are already generating thousands of dollars a day, okay? And I'm going to show you guys some proof in this video, so make sure you guys watch all the way through. But what you're going to want to do when you first land on the Flippa website, in order to make this happen, is by first filtering this to websites, okay, and just hit search. And then you're going to see this toolbar on the left side, and this is where you're going to filter out the best Shopify websites that you could potentially purchase and make your own store. And so the keyword we're going to put in is actually Shopify. Okay, and then we're going to scroll down and also filter it to let's say a minimum monthly profit of 25. Okay, you can push it up to even more depending on your budget, but what this is going to pull up is all the active Shopify stores that are actually making money online. And so the benefit about Flippa is it literally shows you every single detail of how well Shopify stores are performing, right? So you can see this one is actually selling for $2,000 USD with a buy it now price of $3,500, but the net profit of this one is actually $94 a month. But I'm going to show you guys even better examples. So you can see they have a wide variety of different shops here, right? They have sites that go for $4,000, you know, $500, $2,000. And so we can check this one out for example. So this is an e-commerce site that has a net profit of $7,600 a month, okay, fully automated. So we can just check this one out really quick, see what it's all about. So you guys can see that this is a very active Shopify store, and it also gives you detailed analytics about it here. So you can see that this site is only a year old. It has a net profit of $7,600 a month. You could even look at the traffic of the website. So it looks like the traffic is pretty steady throughout the whole year. But the reason why this website is so powerful is because not only can you buy these websites, but these are websites that'll give you the right ideas of what you should be doing with your own Shopify stores if you're starting from scratch, right? So you can see that this is a very good Shopify store that they're very successful with. I mean, you can see the traffic is pretty crazy here, right? Just from each month, they're pretty much averaging over 100,000 store visitors. So this is definitely a site that I recommend you guys look at. And I mean, it literally gives you every single detail about the Shopify store, even the net profit, the revenue, the costs, all of that. And it even gives you what's included with this. So you can see that this single Shopify store alone, once you buy this store, you get 30,000 email subscribers that they already built for you guys, $8,000 in retail inventory, verified Facebook fan page with over 15,000 likes, Instagram account with over 34,000 followers. And again, before you buy these sites, you obviously want to do your due diligence. You want to do your research just to make sure everything checks out. So I mean, we could do that really quick with this website, but I mean, you can see how they also generate their revenue. So you can see they use Facebook and they use Instagram as well. But I'm going to show you guys really quick. So you can see that they actually have proof right here. And so we can just click on this link right here. Just so you know that it's legit. So this definitely looks like a legitimate site. That's the real deal. You can also go further in depth and look at its Facebook traffic. You can look at its Instagram followers just to make sure it's active. But this is what you guys can do with your own Shopify stores to actually jump the learning curve and literally get started with a successful Shopify store today. Because I noticed with a lot of people that they basically try to reinvent the wheel when it comes to Shopify. And guys, that's great, but the best approach you want to have when you're looking to build a long-term successful e-commerce business is by using what's already working, right? So, I mean, this one's actually a jewelry site from the looks of it. Let's look at the website really quick. So yeah, this is actually the website right here. And you can see that it's very clean, it looks neat, and they sell their jewelry right here. So I mean, again guys, you can model what exactly the Shopify store is doing, or if you have the budget, I would go ahead and buy a website that is already working. That way you don't essentially have to start from zero. And I mean, they have hundreds of thousands of websites on here that people are selling that are already generating revenue. Like this one's averaging $3,300 a month. This one's at $95 a month. Again, depending on your budget, you want to purchase whatever you think will work best for you. But again, they have very cheap websites that you can buy. I'd stay away from the websites that don't really show you any extra details, or again, you guys can actually check these Shopify stores out yourself. Like this one, you can actually check their Instagram if you wanted, like just go on their website, and I'm sure they have it up here. Scroll to the bottom, right here. Right, you can do your due diligence on each one of these pages, but this one looks like a website that is not actually a good one to buy. So I would stay away from something like this, because when you purchase this website, it's not going to have any Instagram followers. Again, guys, but you can check out, each one of these websites, see which niche you're trying to jump into, and figure out what's already working for these Shopify stores. And you can actually model what they're doing with their websites and essentially take what's working for them and put that in your own Shopify store. So we could look even more in depth with this one. So you can look at the Instagram page and see how active it is, right? So this one looks like the real deal. Again, guys, you can check how active they are. So just click this one right here and just see, what kind of content they post, because when you purchase these websites, you're going to want to, follow the kind of theme that they're already using with their websites. But again, guys, this website looks like the real deals, and they pretty much give you guys, full proof on this website. So this was a quick video I wanted to show you guys today, because I know a lot of people are struggling, starting from zero. And this is a great way to actually jump the learning curve. And you actually have the opportunity to purchase what's already working with Shopify stores. So this was a quick video I wanted to show you guys today. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, take care.